Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create it photo 3D on TikTok. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps, and after this in here you just click on the new project, and after this in here you can add the photo that you want to edit, and then click on the photo, and after this in here you can add the photo that you want to edit. This one, click add at the bottom. Now you can click on the clip and then click on the style at the bottom, and after this in here you can swipe until you can see a 3D. This is the 3D cartoon effect, so you just click on it. Okay, you can waiting, and after this in here you can click check icon at the bottom. Finish. So that how to create it a better photo 3D on TikTok. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.